So, I think, why don't you, I'll hold it and you kick it. Go ahead.
Lace is out. Did you see the pin?
I don't know where she's coming from.
You gotta kick this way. Tosh, Tosh.
Yay!
Tasha, you want to kick it through the goalpost?
You want to kick it through the yellow one?
Watch Miss Sarah as she kicks it through the goalpost.
Alright, here you go.
Oh,
Okay,
Tosh?
here. Tasha, right here. Right here.
Oh, she's getting a big
Yeah.
wind up.
Okay.
Here she
Ready?
goes. Might want to watch the finger.
Alright!
Charlie Brown style. Alright, here we go.
Dean.
I want to catch it.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
We gotta play all together.
I want to see if my
He blew to
abilities
me.
Oh, almost.
Swing through.
I don't want to hit Natasha.
Ready? Set. Go.
I don't want to hit Natasha. Go this way. This way, Natasha. Atta girl.
Alright. Come here.
Natasha, come this way so I don't kick you with the ball. I'll probably break Tom's nose again. Here we go. Ready?
These are the lines.
Yeah, Charlie Brown me.
How big
I knew it.
each one is.
You gotta follow through. What's the halfway?
I knew I knew you were going to pull it back.
Show 'em. You know.
Whoa!
Oh, just missed.
Almost.
That was awesome.
You gotta tell me you're throwing it.
Toe kick.
Oh, that's bad.
Oh, almost. Here, here, come here. Oh, the lateral. Oh,
Down. Oh, it goes.
oh no. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
We're playing 50-yard line.
Throw it. Big throw. Big throw.
Oh, no. Oh, you got me. Whoa. Oh.
Hold some wind.
Ew, blow it to me.
All right, we're gonna play. You should play across. How's that?
Across.
Touchdowns to white.